At London Tech Week, the government set out a national plan for artificial intelligence. It covers jobs, public services, communities, and safety rules for AI companies. There are a lot of headline numbers, so here are the key facts, plainly, before we ask the only question that matters for your family. A national plan is about the country. It does not tell you what to put in front of your own child. The headlines describe ambition and targets, and those will be judged over years. For a family deciding now, the useful question is narrower. What does genuinely good AI tutoring look like, whatever the policy delivers? So, what does good look like? A strong AI tutor guides rather than hands-over answers. It is built around the UK curriculum, not a generic chatbot. It works through a clear method, in small steps, and it lets you see the working, so you can judge the quality for yourself. Those 4 things hold true, whatever any plan promises. And good tutoring is not one tool working alone. At aitutors.me, Mentor sits at the center of a faculty of subject tutors, covering maths, English, and the sciences. One calm hub keeps the subjects coordinated around the student, so the same careful method runs across every subject, not just one. And before any subject, Mentor checks energy first. Green means push on. Amber means lighter work tonight. Red can mean rest, because a tired mind cannot learn well. Well-being comes before any worksheet. Policy will be judged over the years ahead. In the meantime, we are inviting the first 100 founding member families. It does not replace a great teacher, and it never will. But for learning that genuinely helps your child, you are warmly welcome to aitutors.me. Learn more at aitutors.me.